Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on the home screen you intend to customize. Long press an empty area for 1 to 2 seconds to open the Home Edit mode because that mode exposes widget options and layout controls. Once done, tap Widgets and scan the list. Realme's default widgets appear first, then any third-party widgets from installed apps. Make sure the app providing the widget is installed and updated, otherwise the widget won't show. You'll place widgets in the next step. You choose the widget and a size, small, medium, or large, because size affects what content fits and how much screen space remains for apps. Tap and hold the widget preview, then drag it to the home panel or folder where you want it. Release to drop, and if a resize handle appears, drag edges to adjust. This changes visible content without reinstalling. Once placed, move nearby icons or pages to create breathing room and keep the layout tidy. You should tap the new widget to configure its settings or connect account data so it displays live content. Many widgets need permissions for contacts, location, or notifications. If the widget is blank or stuck, make sure the app is updated. Clear the app cache and restart the phone. This often resolves syncing and display issues. If it still fails, remove the widget and add it again, and verify app permissions in settings to ensure proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.